Real or imaginary?
Imaginary.
Would you like to talk about this, friend?
Frank.
Frank. What did Frank say?
Oh, what's going on? Whoa, you want to start again? You want to start again? Whoa.
Why did you guys open the door? Oh, you guys open the door.
Shit. Crazy.
Leave the charger.
You wanna see?
And then we'll take it out.
Oh shit! Yo, how much does this cost?
Nah, I got it from a
Or
friend,
is this
bro.
the one that you always use for a good cold? After 2 years of preparing, bro.
2 years.
2 years, absurd.
That's crazy, bro.
Lock.
Alright, we got everything.
Everything's locked. Please, what's in this like? Show that shows?
No, that's in Muslims. Holy.
Oh, my phone.
Alright, let's go.
I'm ready.
Look, I feel like taking a coke for myself.
Take one, bro.
Wait, slide. No, my shoes and the thing.
Where we going?
Scaffold Peak.
Scaffold Peak. So we're going to Scaffold Peak.
Shut up, innit?
Alright. Get up.
Gang.
I will stay.
Swear she's destined for the screen. Closest thing to Michelle
We're live. Oh my goodness. Guys, we've just landed at the... Oh my goodness. Guys, we've just landed at the lake. The views here are crazy. You right. Where are we? Where are we? We're at the lake. What's the lake called? Got the views right now. The lake's called Green. Yeah.
Where's this guy going? Look. He's camouflage.
Where's Uncle going, bro? Are you right? Where we at, bro?
Wow, Scaffold Park, innit? On the way there. I got conquered this mountain. It's a bit cloudy, grey skies. But, you know. You see that joke I went down?
What the fuck? Do you know how to do pictures?
Then follow.
Follow him. Where?
Into the future.
And then what happens?
And then he said that the world was coming to an end.
Do you think the world is coming to an end?
Come on, you don't know, son? Let's go.
They know me, son.
They don't know me, son?
No, they do know me, bro.
Who didn't know you as?
That's stupid.
I know what that is going to
It's me alone.
Do you feel alone right now?
I mean, I'd like to believe I'm not, but I just...
There's no service, I couldn't tell them.
Bro, just get in the car. Just get in the car. They're not going to stay there all day. They're going to come back out in the car.
So we're just
when we have service, I will call them. I usually have service.
Right. Oh, yeah, you're right. And then, do you want some Sour Patch?
Is recording?
Yes, man.
Yeah, we outside. You know, I just never seen water in my life. We outside.
No, just keep that. Clip that.
Never seen water. Is it legal to fish it?
I see the water, but I can't swim.
Nah, for sure, man.
Say nothing. What the fuck is the London taxi doing here? Let them know we outside, innit?
How was the...
I'm sorry.
Huh?
Oh, what? What the heck? Where'd you guys go?
They went the long way, and you know when we went up, they went down.
You guys went left from that. Step back up.
They went down instead of up.
Oh, they went the wrong way.
We are back. What a hike. How'd you feel? Bro, I'm tired. Like, I'm so tired right now. I'm just gonna go pass out. And that's me.
Alright, show us some push-ups. Yeah? Yeah? Go on, push-ups right now.
Because.
Yeah, it's over.
Hey.
Yeah?
Oh, you jammed this, bro. Wait.
That's the intro. That is the intro. That's the intro. Bro, I'm telling you. That is the intro. That's the intro.
Farting on my bed.
That is the intro. Oh yeah, that is.
Because.
Are you? Yeah, he might be feeling it now.
Me personally, I wouldn't have that, yeah? I would start, I'll start grappling.
It's gone.
No, but big man thing saying that though.
You're gone now, you're feeling it. I know you're feeling it.
Well, thoughts, mate.
I'm feeling that, Bunny.
You know what you are going to feel.
I know what it is. Nah, you're right. You just need a screwdriver. You screw this in, yeah? Then you can twist this.
That's what I said, bro.
I know. No, you're right. Let's find a screwdriver, bro.
Chicken houses.
Go get a knife.
Bro, you're the one who broke this, bro. That's too far.
Bro, all this for what? Like,
Content, bro.
content, fam.
Nah, it's working. Bro, I'm telling you, when you see the clip.
Is it actually working?
Yeah. Like, show him your clip. But you
Yeah,
didn't.
I want. Let me see some.
I don't have to wear it properly though.
Fixed it, bro. But you didn't do it properly.
So how many TikToks we oh shit.
The morning after of the hike, man, my body is in pieces. I don't know about you, but I don't know how Latif gonna drive back home.
Man's ready to climb another one, innit?
Climbing off one, yeah. Part 2. Hey.
Altogether, I think it took us like 4, 5.
What, from the bottom?
Yeah, 4, 5 hours. From the top and the bottom.
Yo, that's crazy. 4 or 5 hours.
Yeah, because we finished at 4. We got down at 4 something. We started from the gate at 12:45. That's what Shill said. We timed it.
Damn.
So that was, we actually did it quicker than
We done it quick, huh?
we done it quicker than the regular time they finished.
I thought.
People normally finish 4, 5, 6 hours. 5, 6 hours.
But you know, to be fair, we were going a bit slow.
Yeah, well, we went fast at the start though. Then we moved to that massive steep. I was like, yeah, love.
Yeah, there was a couple of stop and starts. So.
Yeah, because of Harry and it. We couldn't hack the views in it, so yeah, he wants pictures.
Yeah.
That's when we stopped.
Okay, we're gonna see these guys. But it's over.
So this all
It's over. Oh no.
Production line going on.
What's been recording? Oh.
This might as well have been left.
I don't know about this one.
Come on, chef, bro. We're looking, chef. Come on, G. Oh,
Why are we even washing these out? Oh, you know you're going to throw these away, bro.
Nah, we might need them, innit?
What?
What the fuck is that?
Bro, this guy's chef, bro.
What do you mean?
That's not chef. You know what he wants? You don't want to waste it, that's why. You have to do that.
Yeah. You act so different around.
You taking those 2 balls?
Okay, RJ.
That's gonna break.
Can I call you Rose?
Say one more to the vlog, innit? Yeah, say one more. Shut up.
Like a flower.
Everybody knows you're some goody goody. That screw face at that Rockaway, he just ain't working. Sorry, brethren, I'm Buzz Lightyear if you come like we now. Look at my man bigging up his chest. Come like man's trying to grow some rest. Stop that before you get an arch. I don't know who my man's trying to impress. From day one, I said I was serious.